So this is a new DPF we just changed on one of our Maxxforce 7s. This is by Road Warrior. We ordered it a couple weeks ago, and you can see it's been manufactured in a way that you can service it. So for the next one we buy, I imagine it'll be a core on it, because you can see the end plates, they're bolted so they can rebuild it and then resell it. Yeah, they're easy to change, just the two flange mounts on either end. And the reason we had to change it was we were just servicing it, we were cleaning it, and we steam cleaned it, and I think the filter material was a little weak and crusty, and it started falling apart on us, so we had to replace it. We got a couple other ones fail, but they were replaced on warranty, because these Maxxforce 7 engines are only 3 years old. So here's the OEM DPF right from the factory, and you can see it's one solid vessel, so you have to replace the whole thing. And like I say, we dipped it in our tank to clean it, and then we steam cleaned it, and the one end started, part of the filter, it started blowing apart. So I think it was weak or breaking down a bit. But like I said, already these are 3 years old, so we're gonna have to add preventive maintenance schedule and check these every year. And you can just take apart one end and then bend the pipe a way you can see inside. Another way to test them is with the ServiceMax Pro software. You can do a snap throttle test, and if there's black smoke, you know it's bypassing past the filter. So one check, two ways to check them. It's just part of the emissions program. We got to keep on top of them, because they plug up and cause big problems.